Hi children, Sai Ram. Yes, now we are meeting fourth time, okay, for this lesson. This is our part 4 and this is the end of this lesson. Okay, before this session we have learnt about the activity. Okay, that means the kind of questions can be asked based on the maps. Okay, so I hope there is no doubt about the maps now. Okay, everybody is clear about the questions can be asked on the maps now. Okay, yes, you need to prepare map thoroughly. Okay, Thane district taluka map, then Maharashtra state map, India map, and our world map. Okay, clear? Now we will see the part 4. In this session we are going to discuss about the question answers, objective kind of questions and one line question answers. Okay, yes, I have tried my level best to cover all kind of questions in this session. Okay, yes, now we'll start. Yeah, we start with the fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words from the brackets. Okay, options are given. You're supposed to select. There are dash main directions. How many directions are there, children? There are four main directions. Very good. See, here is the answer 4. Okay, there are four main directions. Okay, very good. Next. Dash is the capital of India. Yes, what is the capital of India? Yes, New Delhi is the capital of India. See, the options are Mumbai, New Delhi, and Nagpur. Out of which, yes, you will pick up? New Delhi is the capital of, yes, India. Very good. New Delhi is the capital of India. Good. Now see, what is the capital of Maharashtra? Options are Mumbai, New Delhi, and Nagpur. Children, here, please don't get confused in both the questions. That is, the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai, and the capital of our country, that is nation, that is our India, is New Delhi. Clear? Please make it clear. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Okay. And the capital of India is New Delhi. Fine? Yeah. Mumbai. Okay. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Next. Dash is the second capital of Maharashtra. You should know what is the second capital of Maharashtra also. Fine. So, what is the answer? We'll see the options. Nagpur, Jalgaon and Ahmednagar. Correct. Nagpur is the second capital of Maharashtra. Good. Nagpur is the second capital of Maharashtra. Very good. Now we'll see true or false. Each country is made up of several states. Each country is made up of several states. Is it true or false? Yes, that is true. Very good. Okay. Each country is made up of several states. This is the true statement. The West lies opposite to the South. Is it true or false? The West lies opposite to the South. Yes, this is false statement. Very good. This is the false statement. Correct. Now the next one. India is located in the continent of Asia. Yes, this is true. Correct. Yes, India is located in the continent of Asia. Fine. This is the correct answer. True. Maharashtra is located to the east of India. Maharashtra is located to the east of India. Is it true or false? Yes, this statement is false. Very good. Okay. Now next, Arabian Sea is located to the west of Maharashtra. This we have already discussed, children. Yes. Arabian Sea is located to the west of Maharashtra. Yes, and this statement is true. Very good. Okay. Next. Now match the columns. A group is given, B group, and you're supposed to write the answers. Okay, first one, Asia. Yes. Asia is the district or continent or nation or state, children. Yes, what is it? Yes, Asia is our continent. Very good. Yes, Asia is our continent. Very good. Now, India. What is India? India is our, yes, country, but country word is not given there. Then what is the another word of to country? Yes. What is written there? Find out. Nation. Yes, very good. So India is our nation. So nation is the right answer. Correct. Now what is Maharashtra? Maharashtra is our state. Very good. So state is the correct answer. Maharashtra is our state. Very good. Now next. Cross out the wrong alternatives in the following statements. You are supposed to cross out the wrong alternatives. Means the answer which is wrong, that you are supposed to cross out. Okay. See, the sun rises oblique sets in the east. Now two answers are given, correct? Out of which one is right, one is the wrong one. So the wrong one you are supposed to cross out. Fine? Yes. The sun rises or sets in the east. Everybody knows this. The sun rises in the east. So what is the wrong answer? Sets. So you need to cross out sets. Fine? Yes. See. So the statement is, correct statement is, the sun rises in the east. And we are going to cross out sets. Fine? Very good. Next. Goa is to the south or north of Maharashtra. Goa is to the south or north of Maharashtra. Now everybody knows north is the upper side and south is the down. South is down. Okay. Opposite to north. Correct. So now tell me, Goa is to the south or north of Maharashtra? Yes. Yes. Goa is to the south of Maharashtra. Very good. So north we are going to cross out. Fine. Madhya Pradesh or Andhra Pradesh is the north of Maharashtra. Madhya Pradesh or Andhra Pradesh is to the north of Maharashtra. Now everybody has seen the map properly, okay? I have shown you, okay, by zooming the map. So now what is the answer? Madhya Pradesh is to the north of Maharashtra. So that means what we are supposed to cross out? Andhra Pradesh. Very good. Okay. Andhra Pradesh is the wrong answer. That means Madhya Pradesh is to the north of Maharashtra. Good. Fourth one. Blue or red color is used to show water in maps, children. Now you must have observed water is shown with which color? Tell me. Is it red or blue? Blue, correct. Okay, water is shown with the blue color. So blue color is used to show water in map. So red you're supposed to cross out. Very good. Next. Jammu and Kashmir or Kerala is located in the northern part of India. Yes, northern part is upper side. Okay. And you know where is Jammu Kashmir? Jammu and Kashmir is in the northern part of India. Very good. So what is the wrong answer? Kerala. Okay. So the statement is Jammu and Kashmir is located in the northern part of India. So we need to cross out Kerala. Okay. Next. Now answer the following. One line answer. What do we make use of to determine the east, children? Yes. Now everybody knows. Yes. Come on. Give me the answer. What do we make use of to determine the east? Yes, every day sun rises to the east and sets to the west. So that is why we make of sunrise. Okay, so we make the use of sunrise to determine the east. Okay, we'll see the answer now. See, we make use of the sunrise to determine the east. Fine. Which is the direction opposite to the north? Now this is very easy question, children. Which is the direction opposite to the north? Yes, south. Very good. So the answer is the south is opposite to the north. Good. Next. Now which direction does the magnetic needle show? Now do you remember we have seen the instrument compass? Okay, in that the needle always shows which direction, children? North and south. Okay, the needle lies always to the north and south direction. Very good. See, the magnetic needle shows north and south direction. Okay, clear to you? Yes. What is a continent, children? What is a continent? A vast section of land on the earth is known as a continent. Very good. We'll see the answer. A vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Okay. Once again, a vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Clear? Very good. What is an ocean? Yes, can you answer? Yes. A vast section of salty water on the earth. What is it? A vast section of salty water on the earth is called an ocean. Once again repeat. A vast section of salty water on the earth is called an ocean. Fine. Next. What is an index? Now this everybody knows. Okay. Index is shown in the map, and with the help of index we can read the map clearly. Okay, with the help of index we can understand the map, because everything which is shown in the index. Fine. Clear? Yes. Now what is an index? Yes, the symbols, pictures and signs and different shades are shown along with the map. Yes, see, a list of symbols, pictures, signs and different shades of colors, etc. given along with the map is called a index. Yes, a list of symbols, pictures, signs and different shades of colors, etc. given along with the map is called an index. Clear? Next. What is the use of an index? Just now we have discussed. Yes, what is the use of an index? Index helps us to understand the map. With the help of index, we can read a map or we can understand a map clearly. Yes, an index helps us to understand the map. Very good. Write the names of the oceans in the world. Now everybody knows there are how many oceans? 4 oceans. Okay, we'll see the names. Yes, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Fine, these are the oceans in the world. Fine, you need to learn by heart the spellings. Next, write the names of the continents in the world. Okay, there are how many continents in the world, children? There are 7 continents in the world. Okay, very good. We'll see now. See, Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, North America and South America. How will you remember this, children? See, first four continents, they are starting with the letter A. Okay, so we have put together one by one. Fine. See, Asia, Africa, Antarctica, and Australia. First four starts with letter A. Okay, so it's easy to learn, easy to understand. Now, next fifth one is Europe, and sixth and seventh is North America and South America. So you can easily learn this. Okay, Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. Clear? Yes. So now, children, you're supposed to learn by heart this. Okay, prepare all the questions based on the maps. Also, we have taken activities. So, and answers, question answers also you're supposed to learn. And at the beginning of the session, do you remember I've taken the new words from the lesson which you are supposed to learn by heart, okay, properly, so that you can avoid mistakes in the exam. So learn those new words and write 3 times in your notebook so that you can avoid spelling mistakes at the time of exam. Fine, children? I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay? Yes. We'll meet in the next session, children. Till then, bye. Sai Ram.